Hello everyone, I am Luigi Piguero and he is...
And I am Kurt Brandon.
And today we are going to talk about 3 Filipino uncommon words. First term is called Pangulong nga Tinig, which in English means or called as headset. Meaning, a device that is usually creating sound with the use of technology device like cell phone, tablet, and etc. An example of Pangulong nga Tinig. Paborito ni Nicole ang pag-uulong hatinig sa ibinigay na sa kanya ng kanyang ama.
An example of pag-ulong hatinig is, paborito ni Nicole ang ibinigay na pag-ulong hatinig ng kanyang ama sa kanya.
The second term is called miktinig, which in English is called microphone. Meaning is an instrument whereby sound waves are caused to generate or modulate an electric current usually for the purpose of transmitting or recording sound. An example of miktinig. Ang birthday party na gaganapin sa amin ay kailangan ng miktinig upang marinig ang boses ng tagapagsalita.
An example of miktinig is, ang birthday party na gaganapin sa amin ay kailangan ng miktinig upang marinig ang boses ng tagapagsalita.
And the last term is called solatroniko, which in English means email. Meaning is a system for sending messages from one computer to another. An example of solatroniko, ang aking ginawang sulat ay ipapasa ko gamit ang solatroniko.
An example of solatroniko, ang aking ginawang sulat ay ipapasa ko gamit ang solatroniko.
And we are done discussing some of the most uncommon Filipino words.
Hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye-bye.